Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. The iPhone could not be restored. An unknown error occurred 1600. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to try is just restart your computer. So just tap on Apple logo, just choose your restart and just submit restarting your computer. So this is the first way. Another way you can also try is just mostly it happened because you choose some custom firmware, so just download the latest official version of iOS on your iPhone and just try to restore your iPhone with this firmware. So use only original firmware for restoring your iPhone. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.